fishing in Alaska while the guys are trying to get the fish on board. Looks like we got a 10,000 or so. I just want to go over the incredible loss of trees that we're having even in here. We're inland a ways. This is Crawfish Inland, and it is entire mountains of dead trees. I don't know, we're 6 hours south. We were 6 hours north in the last video. God, what a nightmare knowing what's going on. What a nightmare it is. Both sides. We are losing the garden, and very few people even realize it or see it. Yes, it's beetles. Yes, it's chemicals from geoengineering weakening the trees. Yes, it's all of it. But no matter what, we are losing the garden. Commercial fishermen standing by.